Hi everyone, this video is dedicated to our new tool AI Text Detector, which is going to help you to detect whether the text is human written or AI generated. So once we are on our website copilot.us, we do not need any ChatGPT subscription for now. We can just use our website and go to the dashboard. And here you can see the list of all the apps that we've been creating so far. There is something for every single person there to make your life a little bit easier and more efficient. But today we're gonna talk about content and copyright, and here you can see AI text generator. Just click on open app and then you're gonna see that is a pretty straightforward tool. So basically you just need to input the text that you want to analyze. You can either paste the link, paste the text, or upload the file. So the first example is going to be just a few paragraphs of the article that I just found. So we can choose a few sentences, go back to our app and just paste it. Once you're ready, just click on Analyze Text on the bottom right side. And in a few moments, you're going to see the analysis. And here we can see that is 100% human written content, which is great because that is their job of the journalist to compose that text. Once you're done, you can click on the trash icon, delete all content, and then proceed with yes. And now I want to show another example, but we're gonna proceed with uploading the file. So just hover over this icon and then click. Then we're gonna choose the text that I previously actually generated with AI, and let's see how it's gonna be analyzed. And in a few moments, we're gonna see that it's actually 100% AI content, and we can tell that it's extremely easy and straightforward to use this tool. You just basically input the text that you need to be analyzed. For example, you're a student or a professor, or you're just researching your competitors as a marketer, and you want to know how those texts were created. And after that, you will see the report to the right. Thank you for watching this. I really hope that this tutorial is extremely easy and useful for you. In case you run into any problems, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.